Namaskar. Many times the patient comes to us and they tell, we don't want to use minoxidil, or they have been using for a long time, they got fed up, or they have allergy to minoxidil, or they are reluctant in using any medical therapy. So they want some oil to be used because it's a mindset. From birth, we have this thing fed in our software that hair oil should be used for the hair and don't use any medical therapy. If you use that, you become dependent on that. So let's not discuss that part. I'm just discussing which is the best hair oil. In my experience and in my opinion, those who tells me that they don't want to use minoxidil or other medical therapy, the oil which I advise them is the Bhringraj oil, which by the Baidnath and many other Dabur and many other good companies are making, and it really works provided you use it for the long time. How it works? There are many booties are there. Many booties. It's not just the Bhringraj. Many other things are added in the Bhringraj oil, which are hair growth promoting, and they make your healthy hair thicker, and the growth of the hair, speed of the hair also become faster using the Bhringraj oil. Another thing, it also controls your dandruff. It also helps in a itchy scalp, reduces the itching of the scalp. It also increases the circulation. And another thing is, it cools down your scalp. Sometimes it also helps in promoting your sleep induction. So Bhringraj oil is a very good oil. It has got many advantages in terms of your hair health and in terms of promotion of the hair. You can use it. Thank you. Namaskar.